Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the lip sync feature in CapCut Mobile. With this tool, you can make photos or characters talk using audio or text. It's super easy and perfect for fun videos or content creations. And okay, let's get started. First, just open CapCut on your phone and then just create a new project and just add a single image and then after that tap on the image and then just scroll down on the bottom menu and then just choose lip sync, this one, just tap on it, and then in here inside the lip sync menu you will see several options. You can type text if you want CapCut to generate a voice over here, or you can also add audio, like you can extract audio from a video or in your gallery, or you can also add sounds or favorites one from your gallery or from the TikTok library, or you can also record your own voice directly in CapCut. And for this tutorial, maybe I want to uh, generate a voice from the text like this. Just type sentence that you want the character says. For example, maybe like this. For example, like this. And then next, just select your voice, your model voice. You can also tap on more voice. You can customize voice as you like, or you can also choose the model from the TikTok library like this. Just choose the one that you like.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to use lip sync feature.
I want to choose this one and then just tap on check mark like this. And then next, now look at the model sections. You will see two main options. The light that will create a lip sync with the lip movement only and it will generate faster, or the expressive one that it will make a lip sync with natural facial expressions but it will generate slowly. Just choose one that you prefer. And maybe in this tutorial for the faster generate, I will just choose slide. And once your model is selected, CapCut will show you how many credits there are needed. In here it needs 22 credits, and you can see how many credits that you have left on the right. It's still enough to generate. And after that, just simply tap on generate, then continue and wait for the process. And okay, once it's done, just try to hit play to see your image talking like this.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to use lip sync feature.
Like this. As you can see, the lips movement is so natural and I think it looks so good, even though it not has the facial expressions, but I think it looks good enough. And okay, maybe that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.